Previous video may not have given clear concept, but we will check in this video deep practical understanding. Without any DC voltage applied, or we can say without any power applied, the shaft of the motor is completely free. We can rotate it easily. However, when we apply the DC voltage, the shaft of the motor will be locked. I will set 5 seconds as DC start duration and I will keep 50% DC level. I will put selector switch to start position and try to rotate it with my hand. So there I need to apply some force to rotate. So for how long the shaft will be held at its position? Well, it is 5 seconds since we set in the parameter. Now we will go a little step further. I will set 100% as DC level and will try to rotate the shaft again. Now notice one thing, when we change the level, more current is applied. That means the motor is more strongly locked. And if I try to rotate, I need to put a greater force. Now this demo was for the starting of motor, but same is the concept when we apply DC brake as stopping method.